Here the mean has been calculated using direct method. An easier method would be step division method or assumed mean method. For the first interval 30 to 40, we first find the mid value, either using 30 plus 40 the whole division 2, which gives 35, or by just inspection. In the same way, for the second interval 40 to 50, mid value would be 45 by inspection, or you can use 40 plus 50 the whole by 2, which gives 45. Similarly, find the mid value for all the intervals. The next step is to find the product frequency Fi into mid value Xi, Fi into Xi. For the first interval, it will be 6 into 35, which gives 210. For the second interval, it will be 13 into 45, which gives 585, and so on. Now we find the total frequency summation Fi and also summation Fi into Xi. Substitute in the formula for finding mean using direct method.